They say the old world didn't leave us much, but they left us the blueprints. Welcome back to the workshop. First step, the extraction. Clean prints fresh off the glass. In this world, precision is the difference between a successful run and becoming scrap metal. 9 primary components. That's all that stands between a heap of plastic and the most reliable sidearm in Speranza. Today, we're not just printing plastic. We're reclaiming a legend. On the surface, there's no room for error. If one joint fails, the whole system goes dark when the arc arrives. If you're heading topside, you don't leave Speranza without one of these in your holster. This is the Anvil hand cannon, 1:1 scale. Heavy duty, reliable.